What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Voyage RC. Got another unboxing for you here today. Just picked up the TK955 digital soldering station from TrakPower. Pretty excited to have an actual soldering station in my workshop now. This one's got the digital display on it, so it'll show you the temperature readout. Easy button to dial in the temperature. It's also got a lock key to where with that key's in you can't adjust the temperature. So if you just insert different keys, it'll automatically go to the temperature setting for that key. Little quick look over the box. Just some basic information on it. You can see the security keys there. Sorry about the bad lighting. Yeah, let's open this bad boy up, see everything we get in the box. First things first, you got all the pre-cut decals to cover it up, the instruction manual. Here's the security keys. You get 2 keys, so my understanding that you can lock the temperature setting for each key, and if you just want to solder at that temperature, you put the key in the station and it'll automatically adjust to it. Got the pencil tip, the extra tip it comes with. You got the handle with the little chisel tip it comes with. Got the stand for the handle with the sponge for cleaning the tip. Actually feels like a good weight, solid stand there, so that'll be nice. And then finally we get to the power head unit itself. Got the power switch on the side. Got the nice screen for the readouts, digital key slot, and then your up, down, and star keys. And that should be everything. Nothing hiding under this last piece of styrofoam here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll put the decals on the station, get it set up, and we'll get a quick view of the TK955 for you. Alright guys, I went ahead and gotten everything set up, put all the decals on. I didn't put the decal on the face. I kind of like the white face the way it came out of the box. But that's the TK955 digital soldering station from TrakPower. I do like the sturdiness of the stand here. You can see it's got the cutouts in the bottom, so when you're cleaning your tip, all the extra solder and stuff can just fall down there and then you can dump it out. This plate here does unscrew and come off if you're getting some stuff in there and you need to clean it out from time to time. It's got 2 slots on the side to hold the extra tips that slide out if it's not level, but see, like that. So overall, first impressions are pretty good. I'll have to start using this thing, see how it actually works. Should be pretty good. I've heard that the tips on the TrakPower ones, make sure you're cleaning them and then tinning them before you turn off the station. That'll help keep the tips lasting longer. I've heard people say that if you don't do that and take care of the tips, you might end up replacing them on a weekly basis, which we don't want to be doing. So just make sure you're taking care of it. The instruction manual's got some maintenance tips and care tips for it, so just look through the manual. Yeah, should be a good station. I'm gonna start using this. I'm pretty excited to have a legit soldering station now, so stay tuned for next time.